This is what I've earned so far for playing a game in a day. As you can see from this video, I'm going to be showing you an app that pays you to play games. Type of games you will normally play for fun every day. You can earn up to $500 a day depending on the effort you put in playing these games. And the good part is that you are not paying anything to start using this app. I'm going to be showing you how you can download, install, and start using this app, and I will be showing you the process of playing this game and how I've been able to play this and achieve this amount in just a day. If you're looking for a way to make an extra income online, this video might just be your lucky box to try it out. And remember, it is with no investment. You're not paying anything to start off. You are welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this channel, my name is Stacy, and more often than not, I talk about how to make money online using different platforms, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell as you get notified each time I upload a new video about how to make money online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. And for my amazing subscribers, thank you all. I appreciate you all. So before I go further, I would like you to clear any type of unrealistic expectation you may have in your mind. This app is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like, you don't expect to become rich overnight using this app. It requires your dedication and your efforts to be able to earn enough. And I'll be showing you how you can do that in this video. Try to watch to the end. I'll be telling the name of this app and where you can download it, and I will show you how I played my game. You will see everything in this video. And again, I'll be telling you the process of withdrawal, if actually you can withdraw from this app, because that's the most important thing everybody wants to know. It's not good enough to know that I can earn from an app. Will I be able to withdraw? You will find out in this video. Just keep watching. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this using my phone screen. All right, guys, welcome back. So when you download this game, this is what you will see. This is my dashboard, the game I am currently playing. So I'll just go straight to the point to show you how to play this game. As you can see my balance up there. I'll show you how to play this game. I'll show you other ways you can earn from this app. Don't worry, I'm going to be telling you the name of the app and where you can get it from. So now, to play the game, just match same numbers. You'll be earning like $1, $2, 90 cents, 80 cents, depending on the number. Like I've earned like 1.41 cent, $1.41. So this is how to play the game. You keep matching the numbers. It's not that easy. Don't think it's easy. You need effort to be able to make something out of this game. As you can see, any number you're able to match, you will be earning $1, $2. Okay, that's how to play the game. And any number you meet, you can see the ones I've already missed is building up. There's a number you will be able to match now, and it will crush all of these things and you will earn. So playing this game is the major way you can earn. Then the next way to earn is, you see where they said get more cash. There are games associated on this app that you can play to earn. All these apps, they are into partnership, so they also accept deals from other apps to advertise on their own platform. So if people using this app can play this game associated on this app, so that they can also earn from there. So that's the essence. So these are the different ways you can also increase your earning. So these are the games attached to this app. You can play these games and earn extra cash. As you can see, these are other ways you can earn from this app. Then another way also you can earn, there are more games here too. Different games. Anyone you click, you play and you earn. Then you go to their settings and read their privacy policy, their term of use before you continue playing. This is how to use this app. As you can see, the games are not too difficult, but technically difficult, because if you can't match same numbers and it keep building up, it will get to a point that you might start losing, but I've not gotten to that extent anyways. The name of this app is Amazing 2048 Merge. Amazing 2048 Merge. So you get to go to your app store or your play store and download this app. Install it. My own is already installed, that's why it's showing me play. When you install it, it will bring you to this interface. You sign up, do all the necessary things there to bring you to this interface where you need to start playing. It's just fun to play. Or if you can withdraw or not, because that is the point everyone is waiting to know. Then if you want to withdraw, to know if you can withdraw or not, you click on withdrawal. I'm going to be explaining some things here. So this is the interface for withdrawal. As you can see, you can withdraw from PayPal, Amazon gift card, and MasterCard. These are 3 different ways you can withdraw. There are levels on this game. They have level 1 to 29, which is for level 1 to 29, there is exchange rate of 50%. What that means is that if you have in your balance $300, because of you are still on level 1 to 29, your exchange rate will be 50%. That means your withdrawal amount will be $150, not the 300 that you have in your balance. Then when you get to level 30 to 39, your exchange rate will be 100%. That means if you have $300 in your balance, you can withdraw the $300. When you get to level 40 to 49, your exchange rate will be 200%. That means whatever you have in your balance, you can withdraw times 2 of that, your withdrawal amount. So now, to withdraw, they have a threshold, which is $300. So when you click on withdrawal, they will tell you my balance needs to reach $300. So I'm still on level 1 to 29, which my exchange rate is 50%. That means my withdrawal amount is $108. So when I get to $300, I'll click on withdrawal. I have a PayPal account where I can withdraw it from. This is the process you can withdraw. The good part of this game is that it is fun to play, and if you can earn extra money playing this game, it's worth trying. It is worth trying. So don't say it's a scam or you cannot withdraw. Try it. Get to that threshold and see if you can withdraw. For me, I'm going to be playing it today and tomorrow and get to the threshold and try to withdraw. So this is a beautiful way you can play game. Game is what we play for fun. I mean, this game in particular is fun to play. In your spare time, you can play this game and make something out of it. So this is how to play this game. That will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Will you be trying this game out? Will you be trying this app out? Let me know in the comment section.